name is Shirley, and we lived on Oahu for 23 years and decided that we would make our home on Kauai. I love animals, having 3 cats and a dog. What I liked about Island Comfort service would have to be the way the crew worked. The guys that came out were fantastic, absolutely fantastic. They were professional, they were courteous, just as nice as could be, and did a tremendous job. They cleaned up everything. It was like they never were there. Overall, it was wonderful. I cannot say I've had any other company do as fantastic a job as Island Comfort did.
IslandComfort.com